Let's start with a quick introduction. Auth0 is a universal authentication and authorization platform offered as a service. It sits between custom applications, shown on the bottom left, and external identity providers, shown on the top, acting as a universal translator in between. That means developers can connect any application written in any language or stack and define the external identity providers, as well as integrations, that they want to use. Auth0 makes all of this easy by offering standard protocols and simple APIs, supporting single sign-on and many different authentication options, including multi-factor out of the box, built-in security mechanisms such as anomaly detection of user accounts, breached password detection, and brute force protection. Extensibility via a rules engine unmatched by any competitors that allows you to integrate with many different systems and address those edge cases. And finally, scalability. Auth0 regularly services over 1.5 billion user logins per month. As a result of this flexible, modern, and developer-centric approach, multiple use case categories can be addressed, including business to consumer, business to business, and business to employee. Of course, applications come in various forms, including native client apps, either mobile or desktop, single-page web apps, and regular web applications. To quickly connect them to the platform, Auth0 uses proven, common, and popular identity protocols such as Auth2, OpenID Connect, SAML, and WS Federation. So to make this as easy as possible, we give developers the option to use over 60 pre-written software development kits to easily connect their applications. However, developers don't have to rely on an SDK and can simply call Auth0's well-defined APIs directly. Now, with the application connected, typically a one-off activity, we can look at the different identity providers supported by Auth0, as listed on the bottom of the diagram here. This includes username and passwords stored in an Auth0 hosted database, or using a feature unique to Auth0, which is support for custom databases hosted on-premise at the customer site. Social providers are also supported, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Google. There's over 40 available today, enabled with a flip of a switch. And custom social providers can also easily be added. Enterprise identities, such as Active Directory, LDAP, Google Apps, SAML-based enterprise identities, etc. Additionally, we support some of the European legal identities, such as the Danish NEM ID, Swedish Banking ID, and Norwegian Bank ID systems. This gives you an idea of the building blocks developers can use to secure applications without having to become security experts or build and constantly maintain connections to upstream identity providers. Ultimately, this frees up time to focus on what matters to the business, which is revenue-generating applications.